guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today we are going to see review of Vicco Turmeric Face Wash. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe to us by clicking that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get all the notification from us. Without wasting any time, let's start. Today I have Vicco Turmeric Face Wash with me. I have already made a video of first impression and unboxing of Vicco Turmeric Wash. If you haven't seen that video, then I have given the link in the description box below. Do watch that video guys. It's Vicco Turmeric Cream with foam based turmeric wash. It's an Ayurvedic medicine. According to them, it's natural and vegan. This product is for external use. It contains extract of turmeric, longa, lin, rhizone powder, 16% excipient, a foam base. Storage instruction: product from direct sunlight. Basically, I have purchased this product second time as this product is suitable for my skin. After washing my face with this face wash, I literally feel my skin has become rejuvenated, and secondly, it makes my skin supple and clean and clear. If you have acne problem, then Vicco Turmeric face wash is going to solve that problem too. Do wash your face with this face wash. Do let me know your thinking in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and do hit that like button. Thank you.